Good morning. It's Thursday. I don't remember the date. Anyways, I've been doing a very poor job of vlogging, and I haven't been vlogging enough. I think because it's been a while, and so I'm a little bit scared, or rather like what a mind. But today I'm going to try my best, because at least I have an interesting day. I have to go get my PR packages in Billy, one from S. Chamon and one from Darling. Yeah, and I'm so glad PR are coming. I know it's not a paying thing, but it's a stepping stone to get there. Yeah, so I'm going to their offices to meet them, and then nipate, and then so that I can go to work. My OOTD today is this, just some jeans and a t-shirt, and this. I haven't ironed the t-shirt because I'm late. I was supposed to go there at 6 exactly, because Darling is in Mbagala Rangitatu, and now it's 7. I'm super late because yesterday I nilifika late from job, and then yeah. And another thing is I'm going to try to vlog, but tutaona. And then guys, this wig, anyways, the reason here is because niliweka vibaya, so, and I don't have what is it called, pasi naitwaje kwa Kiingereza, naitwaje, is it a flat iron? Yes, a flat iron to like kuifanya iwe more beautiful. But that is among the to-do list that I have now that I'm getting to add more wigs. I bought this at Jonijo's place, 150,000. It's actually affordable, and it's really nice. I like it. It's really nice, and you see, it's really nice. He says it's 8A. I'm not that. I know wigs. I know to differentiate Kariako and good wigs, other good wigs. So na sasa kwenye ile platform ile nyingine ile ya good wigs kuna grades, bado sijajua exactly, but nitajua, and then I'll be letting you guys know, ili ujue kama unaibiwa au now. Sasa yeah, let me just go, and yeah, tutaonana huko. So we are here, and it's huge. It's a huge place. So I don't know if I'm going to be allowed to vlog inside, but if I'm not, then you're not going to see it. But if I'm allowed, you're going to see. So yeah, let's see if I'm going to be allowed. Yeah, so I'm allowed to vlog, but I'm not allowed to vlog people, and in the reception kuna watu, so I didn't want to intrude. So I'm already here. The office is nice, it's big, like I said before. Yeah, so just I was going to like giving you like update. I was waiting for the person that I was supposed to meet. Ameshafika. There was a lot of following, which I also was into, so I understand. So amefika saizi, so she's like, I should give her like 15 minutes, and then she'll go.
Thank you very much for the review. Karibu darling.
Hello, karibuni. So it's Saturday, and at Mr. Price. Wow. The lights went off. Anyways, let me just show you every piece. Just tops mainly, I think. Yeah, and some few dresses which I know can't fit me, but because they're too cute, I want to try them out. So yeah. So first top. I think I love this. I was so skeptical. So this is how it looks like. I love it. Don't mind about this skirt. I'm going to tell you a story about the skirt. But anyways, this is how it looks like. I love it. I love it so much. I don't know. I'm gonna take it. What do you guys think? I'm going to take it. So we're going to see. This is cute, but it can't fit me. I don't know this size. I think I'm going to check if there's a size larger, but it's really cute. but it can't fit me, so yeah. Red one was, this one was a size, what? It was a size medium, and this is a size large, but mikono ni midogo. I really wanted these things, but anyways, yeah. Struggles, can't fit, can't. It's so struggles, can't fit. Hello, so I want to log out from this vlog because I have to travel to Dodoma today. So I want to show you my PR package. I know I didn't show you, and in no way this is a way of showing off, but maybe to just encourage. You know, I do not have a large following, so this goes out to those people who think that you need a large following so that you can get PR package. And I used to think the same, but apparently it's not. Sorry, I'm trying to kuegesha you like that. Yeah, so yeah, the only trick, okay, these are my tips on how for those people out there, those people who do not know, I have YouTube and Instagram, and YouTube is not my main platform. Instagram is my main platform for those people who don't know, and that's why I'm mainly active on Instagram. I would want eventually to balance the two, but it's not easy. Ask anyone. There are people who are their main channel is YouTube, and their main platform is social media platform is YouTube, and not what is it called, Instagram. Some of them they use Twitter. I do not know how to use Twitter. So right now I'm in a hurry to go to Dodoma for a while and then come back. So I wanted to end this vlog because it's Sunday and I want you guys to watch this vlog tomorrow. Yeah, I hope it's going to be exciting. There are some parts that I vlogged and then nikazitoa because they're not that nice. Ama sijui niziweke, nitaziweka probably, but yeah, nitaziweka. And if you find this vlog boring, please forgive me. You wanted a vlog and I'm giving you a vlog, but I think also nimesahau vlog. Yani I'm going somewhere nice, and then, or rather I'm going somewhere anywhere I know you guys might love to know something, and then I chicken out on vlogging because I'm okay, what are people going to think of me? Normally it never used to bother me, but now it does. So I'm trying to get back on track, and hopefully the next few vlogs that are coming are going to be better. Yeah, so there's this company called BioCare Lab, something like that, where they have their distributors here in Tanzania called SHAMON and some other Instagram page, I don't know. So it's not a small company, and they reached out to me, and then they were like, can we give you a PR package so that you can review? I was like, I have to be honest with you, I have to, if it's something I have to use. You know what I do is I what is it called, consumer generated content I have to use and then come up with views. I don't have to say this is something, it's beautiful, and that's it. No, that's not what I do. I have to try out something and then nifanye nini, make a review out of my experience with the product, so that I can let other people know how it was on my hair or anything. Yeah, so depending with the type of my hair. Now for those people who do not know, I have thin hair, and it's kinky, but I think it's a mixture. It's not 4C completely, but yeah, but mostly it's 4C. So yeah, and what else? Yeah, let me just show you the products. I'm talking too much. Yeah, so I went to SHAMON, and I want to tell you guys one thing that I've learned. Most companies in Tanzania do not know about PR package, they don't know about content creation, they don't know about anything. I'm not going to point fingers, but you are evil too. Most people don't. Yeah, I was saying tips on how you are going to get PR package. Tagging. Tag and tag and tag and tag. I don't know, I do not know about YouTube, I'm still learning, but Instagram, it's much easier for companies nowadays to like see you. Just tag and tag and tag and just be present always, and yeah, tag and tag and tag. So these are Curls and Natural products. If you've never seen them, I'm going to put a picture just here. Those are the products, and they got to give me a Curls and Naturals free of phthalate, parabens, and MEA. This is a texturizer, probably, and each product is 15,000 at SH Amon. They are available at SH Amon, and then I'm going to put the Instagram page right here of where zinapatikana in Tanzania. Yeah, so they are 15,000. This is a texturizer, and of course I'm not going to use this because I have virgin hair. Yeah, so this, and it's 15,000. It's a texturizer. Texturizer is something, it's not a relaxer per se, it just makes your hair, if you have kinky hair, makes it softer. Anyways, Joanna K and Wabosha did a video on texturizer, so go watch. And this is a texturizer. I might give it out. I think I already have somebody in mind. And then this is Curls and Natural shampoo. By the way, it's how many ml? 355 ml. It's 15,000. This one, it's actually quite a lot. Yeah, this one. And then there's also, what is it called, conditioning. This is a mask, hair mask, conditioner mask, something like that, and it's also 15,000, and it is 340 grams, quite a lot. Yeah, this one, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to open when I come back. I'm not going to travel with them. And this is, I think this is gel, but they call it curling defining custard. It's also 15,000. It's 340 grams. This one, I don't know if you can see, the lighting is poor because it's raining outside, there's no sun. So yeah, and if I open the door, hamtanisikia. Yeah, another one is this Dream Curl Cream. This one, it's also 15,000. Every product is 15,000. So this one, there's also a leave-in conditioner. This one, 15,000 also. And also this daily moisturizing serum. I do not know what this is. I'm going to, yeah, so that's why I do consumer generated content. I have to try them out and see what that is, so that when I come to you, I'm not just here talking about, oh, this is beautiful, I love it, and whatnot. Yeah, so another thing is, what is it called? Yeah, I've been tagging Darling and any hair company that I use their hair. I've been tagging them like so much since the time I began, and this time I did a review on their hair because I really wanted to try out that hair, and they called me and we met. They really wanted to know like the other part where I said like it's imeregea. If you ever used soft pony honey twist, you know that they are box braids but ziko zimeregea flani hivi. Yeah, so I said that, and I gave my review. If you wanna see, go to my Instagram page, utaona a video of me doing a hairstyle, so go watch it. So they called me, they wanted to know more and whatnot, and then they actually loved it. And they were very good at receiving that review. They were like, we are going to work on that. I don't know if they are going to or not, I don't know, but anyways, they gave me some few hair to try, like these spring curls. I don't know why I hate it when companies zina mix this and this. I don't know, mi naonaga zinakaa ushamba. I don't know, that's just me. I only like to do it, especially this color with another color that is close to this but not with black. Yeah, I don't like it, but we are going to see how it's gonna look. So if I like this hair, so this is the hair. So this is the one pack, and then by the way, I didn't show you the they gave me this. Yeah, and also they gave me another pack, sprinkles, and I think it comes with a relaxer. I think I'm also going to give it out. I say hizi vitu zinakaa na relaxer. And then they also gave me this pencil, what is it called, pencil locks. These ones, yeah, every hair. I think this is the only one that I've never tried. I've ever tried this one. I'm going to insert a picture of here, but it was for a different company, so we are going to see if it almost matches. So yeah, it comes with a relaxer behind here, and then they also gave me this sheen spray. Yeah, so nothing much, but then sio kwamba I'm not grateful, I'm grateful, but ndio hivyo, bado hatujafika ile point ya kwamba they should be paying us and what not, because first of all, me personally, I don't expect that much to be paid. Okay, for me personally, I'm not a micro influencer in my main platform yet. Ndo kwanza nimefika 1k. Yeah, the streets are hard. Yes, 1k. What I'm trying to do is I want to make a lot of engagement, mostly engagement. And while I increase, so I would rather increase my following kidogo, but engagement iwe like massive. That's my point. Yeah, so I think, yes, if you have any question, if you want me to do like a video on how it's going to be a short one on how to get PR package to get noticed by companies and whatnot. I'm not an expert, but I think I've done my research. I know I'm good at it. Yeah, so if you are a content creator, first of all, discover your main platform, and then tag. Be very intentional of what products you're using. If me personally, I thank God most of the products that I use products that is in an IG page, and even when I want to try out something new, I first look kitu naenda kujaribu je ina Instagram page, and are they like engaging with their customers and whatnot, and then I intentionally buy those things so that I have to like it first, and then I intentionally, yes. So I think that's it. Let me just go to Dodoma. Wish me luck. So until next time, I hope I was helpful. Yeah, I think I haven't forgotten anything else. Bye.